we are doing a little couple of nights getaway in the Grampians. Hello, darling. In Halls Gap for Brad's birthday. My partner is Bradley, and we have got this awesome little cabin, and there's like a bath out on the deck. It's the most epic view ever. Anyway, we're gonna bring you guys along with just a little behind the scenes of our lives, just what we get up to, what we do when we're like going away and we have, yeah darling, when we have a small human, how we keep him entertained, and what we're getting up to, and probably what we eat, what we do like fitness wise, all of the things. So come along with us and I hope you enjoy. Come on guys, this way babe. Wow, look at this view. That's incredible. Come here, there's emus. Come here, I'll show you. Look. Look at all the emus.
Let me eat them. Emus? Emus?
Let's do a cabin tour. You check what's in there. Oh, that's the bathroom. Look, Belle, we can have a video all together. Let's do it. This is cute.
What are you doing? What are you watching? Zaid, what's happened here?
Okay. Oh my god, what happened?
Zaid, what happened?
I pulled out today. Stop for a few pull-ups in the park.
You're hopping down. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Nice, well done. Yep. Get back up. Yep.
Wow. Oh, I don't have my helmet on. Whoops. Thank you. You're great at pushing. You're very strong. Now I've got your hat and your bike. Coming? Oh, you're looking for an emu. You should see where an emu is. Move that stick out. Was it in the way? Okay, keep your eyes peeled for snakes.
Look.
Really? Did you jump in?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Go.
Oh.
Zave, look at the bird beside you. You're looking at the ones on the ground, buddy, and there's one right here beside you. Look. On the railing. Look there. Don't touch him.
I don't want to.
Yeah.
Dinner with a view tonight. How's your dinner, bud? What are we having? We're having rice, tofu and broccoli with teriyaki sauce and a bit of garlic salt.
It's a shock, wouldn't it?
It's actually alright though, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
We've got our bath running here. All the animals have come out. Look at these kangaroos. Oh my god, Jesus, there's giant birds landing on the roof. It's terrifying. Heaps of animals. So awesome.
Is it, Mama?
It's good. I would have liked to have been nude, but it's not as secluded as I thought.
Oh, we just got a family, a kid on his bike there.
A few people looking at the
Have a little peep show. Be alright. Go for your roos down the paddock.
Yeah.
And a small child.
Good morning, guys. We're about to have brekkie, and I thought I would show you, for the mums that are interested, some of the essentials that I brought for my 2-year-old. So this, we call it chalky milk. It is an essential shake, but these, I really liked the ingredients on this one. So we have this. He usually does this every day, to be honest. I kind of do half serves because sometimes he wants more than one. Then for brekkie, we are having, get that out of your mouth, buddy. We're having quinoa flakes. So just brought a tub of quinoa flakes with oat milk. Normally I'd use coconut milk or almond milk, but we're all having oat milk at the moment. And just put some honey on it for flavour, but that is what he's having for breakfast. Right, we're off to mini golf. We've done our exercise for the morning. I did a lovely workout on the floor right here on the towel. Brad's done his run, which he'll tell you about in a minute. Happy birthday, big boy. Wait, are you telling me it's your birthday and you chose to work out?
Oh, I want to go. I always go for running on my birthday.
You
Normally do the
chose?
kilometres of the Ks.
Ew, that's a dirty fly. Put that in the bin.
I was not doing 30 up in that bush. I did
So what'd you do?
nearly 18.
Nice.
700 vert.
No.
Another way to get a few steps in. It's only a K up the road.
Okay. Carrying it. You said it was 400 meters.
I said it was a K.
Are you joking me? You literally.
We're nearly there anyway.
Let go. You tell them what's happening.
Way to ruin my birthday. Fucking putt-putt's not open. Just pissed on the fence in disgust. Says it's open. Straight out the front for the ladies.
I think Zach was more upset about it than you.
Aren't you, bud? We don't get to play golf today. Maybe tomorrow.
We're gonna go get some ice cream.
Yeah, that's a good change of plans. You like your little walk, Mum? Now you won't be going for a walk later, will ya? Happy with that? Nice.
Zave, look, got your ice cream. This is for you. Wow. Hold it down the bottom, yep. You can lick it. Wow, come sit in the chair. Is that awesome? Yum, what do you think? Thumbs up? Ready, bud? We gotta sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, quick.
Quick, blow it out.
Yay!
That's a really sad cake.
Come on, don't eat. Happy birthday.
You gonna have some?
Let's don't eat birthday.
Are you gonna tell Mum that you did that?
expensive in here. That's.
Did you do that, Zach?
Oh my god, who did that?
Oh, touch the bottom. Got to kiss ya. This is a big piece.
A bit of work. We're doing some colouring.
What are you doing?
Having a
Got the Lightning
coffee.
McQueen playlist going.
Lightning McQueen, our favourite.
There he is. Did you colour in later?
Our beautiful office. Oh my god, these birds! I've had about 75 heart attacks today from the birds. Well, let's be honest, I cried earlier because I'm so scared of birds, and they were following us while we had an ice cream, and I was having a terrible experience and I ran back to the car.
They're out here hunting a wild child who is amongst the kangaroos. We've currently lost visual. As you can see, the wildlife are not worried by this child. He's just in there behind the grass. We could pop up and surprise him at any moment, but any good wildlife photographer knows you're better off letting the animals run free. There he goes again behind the sags. Let's get a close up here of this young buck taking a good look. He has nothing to worry about. Of course. What do we got here, Mum? After a day of chilling out and just relaxing,
Look,
we got pizzas.
that's authentic Italian.
Crack that box open. Wood fired.